ExitLag supposed to give you that sweet low ping, but suddenly it's just a euro not working. Don't rage quit just yet, because I'm about to show you exactly how to fix it in under 90 seconds. First, let's do the obvious. Make sure ExitLag is actually running. Look for the icon in your system tray, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. If it's not there, relaunch the program. Okay, still no luck, right-click that ExitLag icon again, and this time, select Restart Service. This can often fix minor connection hiccups. Give it a few seconds to restart and reconnect. Next, let's make sure ExitLag is set to start automatically. Go into the settings, usually found by right-clicking the system tray icon and selecting Settings. Then find a section labeled something like General or Startup and make sure the Start ExitLag with Windows or similar option is enabled. Firewalls can be sneaky culprits. Search for Firewall in your Windows search bar and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Make sure ExitLag is checked, both for private and public networks. If it's not in the list, click Change Settings. Then allow another app and manually add the ExitLag executable file. Sometimes, it's simply a server issue. Within ExitLag, try selecting a different server region for the game you're playing. A closer server might not always be the best. Experiment to see what gives you the most stable connection. Still struggling? The nuclear option. Uninstall and reinstall ExitLag. This ensures you have the latest version and eliminates any corrupted files. Head to your control panel, find ExitLag, and uninstall it. Then, download the newest version from the official ExitLag website and install it again. And if all else fails, reach out to ExitLag support directly. They have a dedicated team ready to assist you with more complex issues. You can usually find their contact information on their website. Good luck getting back in the game.